In this video I will show you how to make a clip of you kissing your celebrity with this feature in Filmora 14.
Before we start the video, go into the first link in my description and it will redirect you to Elements Envato. The subscription there is super cheap and affordable for video editors. Get the best stock footages, fonts, templates, effects and everything any graphic designer or video editor could possibly need.
First go to Media and then click on Image to Video and then click on Hot. Now click on AI Kiss. Then go to Stitch Mode and drop the two pictures you want. Make sure to move the image in the center of the faces like I did. Now click on Submit, then click on Generate. Wait for the generate to load. This is the finished part. You can see how real it looks. It took me some steps to get it done. It's really simple. Now I will show you in the same images how to make a clip of them hugging. Now go to Media, then Image to Video and click on Hot like the same as first. And now click on Hug Your Love. Here is the same process. Drop the two pictures you want. Then click Submit and go to Generate. Now you need to wait like the first one to generate the images to video. This AI features in Filmora 14 is helping a lot and it makes editing easy. This is the clip we got. You can see how real the clips are with only an images. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, get your Filmora 14 today, and don't forget to subscribe to Elements Envato. Peace.